start with a letter C that's on its side, and then at the part that's open, we're going to do like a bunch of W's all connected. Circle inside each end, another circle on the inside at the bottom, straight line across, half circle for the mouth, some little upside down V's for teeth. I'm going to start up above and add fur on each side. Now I'm going to do the bottom half, bringing it back up. Make it as fluffy as you like. Little horns on the top, kind of curved V shapes. Right, on the side we're going to do arms. So you start up thinner at the top, wider at the bottom. And then this pound I'm going to loop up over because I'm going to have his hand holding a popsicle. So that's the handle, that's the other part of the handle, and then the popsicle at the end. Finish off the arm. Now the feet, they're furry at the bottom and come back up, angle out, add fur at the bottom, and then come back up. Just color in the eyes and add any other detail.